Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your bookkeeping firm to Keeper.app. I need to do it for a demo that I'm going to make for somebody, and I thought, oh my gosh, I could just make a YouTube video and show you guys. So this is slightly different than when you add a client, you're just adding your own firm. So I'm in Keeper. Bubblegum Bowling is a sample company that I made for a QuickBooks course that I created for Go Skills. So even though you can see it, it's nothing confidential. What I need to do is I just need to start by clicking on plus client at the top of my screen. I'm then going to identify what I want. I want to connect to QuickBooks Online. I'm not going to talk about any of the settings or the setup. I'm just going to focus on my connection. So I'm going to say connect to QuickBooks. It says to select your company. So I'm going to click on the drop down and it's going to show every accounting company I have access to. You might have just your own firm or you might have multiple. In my case, I have multiple, so I'm going to stop the video, find my company, and then come right back to it. Here's the fork in the road. I want to install this for my firm. I don't want to pick a client. So I'm going to choose install for your firm instead of select a client. If I was doing this for a client, I'd click the client in the drop down. It would not select this. From here, I just click on next and I patiently wait. It says you're about to connect your data and I'm like, that'd be great. I choose connect. At this point, it's connected. So I can see Gentle Frog, I can see the QB icon letting me know that it's QuickBooks, and I can see connected. There were points of this video that my editor cut to cut out the boring parts, but the part where it connected, it really was very, very quick. So I want you to know if you ever need to connect a client or your own firm, it's super easy to do. All right, any questions? Let me know. Thanks.